Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a comparison between Scalenut and Frase, two powerful AI SEO tools. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at Scalenut. Scalenut offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline your content creation process. It boasts features like an SEO assistant, AI copywriter, and a managed marketplace for hiring top talent. This makes it a versatile solution for various content needs. One of Scalenut's key strengths is its support for both long-form and short-form content generation. This means you can tackle various content needs, from comprehensive articles to concise social media posts. Additionally, Scalenut provides insights into NLP term analysis and competition analysis directly integrated into the content creation workflow. In terms of pricing, Scalenut's pricing varies based on usage and features, including options for individual users and businesses. Now let's turn our attention to Frase. Frase stands out with its structured approach to content creation and SEO optimization. It offers features like document parts and templates for structuring your content, making it easy to create well-organized articles. While Frase primarily focuses on long-form content generation, it still assists in crafting creative, concise snippets for different purposes. One standout feature of Frase is its Frase Answers functionality, acting like an AI chatbot to help visitors find relevant content on your site. This enhances user experience and engagement by providing quick access to information. In terms of pricing, Frase also offers tiered plans with variations based on the number of users and access to advanced features like Frase Answers. In summary, both Scalenut and Frase offer powerful AI-driven solutions for SEO and content creation, each with its own strengths. Scalenut excels in versatility, catering to both long-form and short-form content needs, while Frase shines with its structured approach to content creation and unique Frase Answers feature. That's all for now. You can choose between the two considering your specific needs and preferences by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.